Hi everyone and welcome. Today in front of me is BaseUs Bowie MA10 and I'm going to show you how to easily restore your settings to default in your app. Let's get started. First you have to open our app and open our headphone lid because you want them to be connected. Now we have to open our device and click this gear icon over there. Now as you can see, restart default settings. We have to click on it and click OK. And now all our equalizer presets, ambient sound settings and gesture settings are now default. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.